Hello everybody! Last time we could finally make our setup for our calculator and we could start a small program, my calculator on ImGui, and today the idea is to make a layout for the whole calculator, and we try to do this, and that's content for this video, and let's start it. At the moment we have this box here, and we want to have a text editor at the top that we can enter our numbers in it, like this counter here. We place it at the top of it, and then we add some buttons in it in a row, and something like a calculator that we have our plus signs, minus signs, equal signs, and everything in the place we need it. And after that, that's for the next episode. Only today we have only the layout, and today is only the layout, and yeah, I try to do it, and when I have done a good amount of it, I make another clip of it. So now I think I could figure out quite a bit. Our situation looks like this here. As you can see, we have the calculator right here. We put that aside so I can show it a little bit better, and we have all the numbers, all the signs, and here, as you can see, we have made one button for each of those and defined if it's on the same line or in the same or in the next column, and it looks quite good. Here we have a text that we can use later to add our numbers in it. It is not a blue case because the blue cases are only to write something in or click it. So all the blue things in ImGui are interactive, and the text that we have is not interactive, so it's not blue. So I'm sure we could also change the color of those, but those are blue. And now for the adjustment, I had to define the size of this square here, and I did that by ImVec2 and made it 50 to 20. And if we look here, I show you where I found it. It was in widgets here, and then it was in, I think, text. No, oh, where was it? Layout. Yes, here was it. And then I found it here in MISC items, and then I went there in ImGui demo and I just typed in MISC items and we already found it. And then you can see the ImGui button 50 times 50 because it's written 50 times 50 in it, and then the size of it. And it was very easy, and then I could go back to my application, implement it everywhere, and done. And that's how easy it is in ImGui to make something like that. And with that we would come to the harder part. It will be the coding. So we can code that when we click the 7 that it will actually add the 7 in the text bar. And if we add another thing that it adds it also in the text bar, or it will make the addition, for example, in the background, and then we can add the other number that we want to make a basic calculator. And we can even make it more advanced after that, but for now we want to keep it simple because we have just started programming and we want to make it simple and understandable, and we can improve on it and make it much more complicated if we wanted to. But I think with that it's good enough for today. And I will end this video at this point. It was just a short video today, but the next video will for sure be a little bit longer for the coding session, and I hope you enjoyed it or had some fun watching it. And with that I say bye.